welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got these super cute mini twists in less than 2 hours. I know. It looks like I sat for hours mini twisting my hair, but these are actually crochet braids from Crochet Braids Plus. I will link this hair in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. But when I say Crochet Braids Plus did their thing with these twists, hold on. When I got the email from Crochet Braids Plus for this collaboration, they sent me the link to these twists and I was like, absolutely. I will absolutely install these twists. But then they were like, we're going to throw in a few little gray pieces for the little salt and pepper that you have in the front of your hair. It's the attention to detail for me. Now, I have definitely been coloring my grays because I'm not fully ready to embrace it. But this look, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Let me give you a 360 and we're going to get right into this tutorial. So the hair is nice and full. This is human hair. This is 5 packs. I used all 5 packs. And then I got a few of the silver pieces that I did put a few in the back and then a few in the front. I absolutely love these twists. They are super gorgeous. And this is human hair, so you can refresh it with a little water and a little mousse. This is a super low maintenance style. You can style this so many different ways. So I did the invisible crochets in the front. So I just plaited my hair and then attached this plait to the plait behind it. And I just did 2 rows of that all the way across the front. Then I did French braids in the back. But when I tell you this came out so cute, I absolutely love it.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump on jealousy.
So if you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for your support. But if you are not yet subscribed, what are we waiting for? There is no charge to you. Just click on that subscribe, click the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my uploads. And if you know someone who would love this hair inspiration that I'm giving to you in this video and others, share it with them.
Better way, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home.
This hair is so versatile. There are so many different styles that you can do with it. Let me show you a few that I've tried.
I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way.
So tell me, are we feeling these twists or not? I am definitely feeling them. I was a little skeptical of adding the little gray pieces in the front, but I am so glad that they sent them, and I'm so glad that I installed them because I really like how it turned out. So let me know what you think in the comments section below. Again, the link to this hair will be in the description box, as well as some other discount codes of mine, so make sure that you check it out. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.